I'm Sam Ritte, I'm a jeweller at the Great Frog, and I studied 3D design crafts at Plymouth College of Art. When I looked around Plymouth College of Art, I did actually choose it because of the facilities. So it had really good facilities for everything. So like woodworking, large metal works, and jewellery. And at that point, I just didn't know what I wanted to do. It's just a really good place to focus into something as well. There's just so much going on. I've known about the Great Frog since I was about 14. Since then, I've always loved the style and the aesthetic. They make jewelry for rock stars, and that's just really badass. Growing up, both my parents listened to like Guns N' Roses and Mötley Crüe and all of these big bands, and then I now work for the company that makes the jewelry for those people. This company was established in 1972, and since then all of the big rock stars have just kind of gone to it. So Lemmy from Motorhead was probably the most famous person that really grabbed hold, and then they did stuff for Iron Maiden, Led Zeppelin, and so many just big names. And they're just kind of this great musical legacy for jewelry. Our workshop is just a hive of banter and that really nice atmosphere. Everybody in the workshop has their own skill set. All of these people have so much more experience than me in jewelry, but I've learned from them as well. So even if it's just a small tip of how to polish it quicker or something like that, I now have that information. Be confident in yourself. I wasn't particularly all the way. I'm still practicing that. I just by chance got this job and I by chance did this. But it is, now looking back on it, it's because I was confident at that point that I could do it. And I was confident that my CV would be good enough to get this job. And now I'm confident enough that I can make work to be good enough to collaborate with other artists that I admire. Just believing in yourself and being confident in your own work and your abilities, and just keep practicing in what you're doing as well.